Hello everyone, welcome to this video and welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how I inked and watercolored this painting, and full-length tutorial with step-by-step instructions you can find on my Patreon together with the sketch and also many other watercolor and ink tutorials. So all the supplies and materials I will be using today are listed in the description box if you want to check something out. So without further ado, let's get to the painting. I will start with inking, and I did trace my sketch onto the watercolor paper. So if you join freely on my Patreon, you will have access to this sketch. So for free, you don't have to join as a paid member. I am doing first the inking, and then on top I will be doing the watercolors. For the inking, I'm using Micron ink pen number 05. So just following the sketch I did previously, doing the inking on top. You can do also wiggly wobbly lines, sketchy lines if you prefer. So just doing all the lines and details first, and then when I do finish with that, I will go around my painting and just add a little bit more of the details, pronounce some parts, shade. So just looking where I want to add a little bit more of the details, make some lines a little bit thicker or some lines a little bit more stylized, and make some parts a little bit more detailed, just to embellish the entire painting, the entire inking. So when I do finish with my inking, I will move on to the watercolors. For the watercolors, I will be using watercolors I made myself. So first, some blue and some turquoise, do a couple of splatters. I'm gonna do that down the line, very basic and very simple. And for the flower, I'm using some yellow and lighter brown. Of course, lighter green. This is a mix of green and yellow for the foliage, and a little bit of the green for the leaves, just to make some variation in the color. And you can see I'm not even trying to stay within the lines. If you go outside, that's fine. This is sketchy, something we do in our sketchbook, and a little bit looser. So for the snail, I will be using some yellow, lighter brown. For his house, a little bit of the pink, some blue, yellow, and again some purple. But of course you can just choose any colors you like. I wanted to make him colorful. A couple of more splatters with purple, with yellow, and just a few more details around the painting. And at the end, I will write in the text, because I am making a sketchbook and I like to write in the note with every painting. So this one is Nature Offers Comfort. And I guess we're done. So quite simple as that. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please hit the like button, share it and comment. And if you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. I have many tutorials here for beginners and also advanced painters. And remember, if you want a full-length tutorial or just many more real-time tutorials, check out my Patreon. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!